Hello, it's Wesley with Expandacraft, and I'm here with Anthony, who is the proud new owner of a Outrigger kit. This is a 12-foot Expandacraft Outrigger kit. It is in the shade, a little harder to see. Why put an Outrigger kit on a canoe like this?
Me and my brother do a lot of fishing out in Ozella Trail, a lot of shallow water, and it just helps us see spot fish better, and just kind of so we can get in even more shallow water.
Yeah, I noticed it's got the higher gunnels, and you chose to go with the high risers, and it sits absolutely flat, no wobble. We did the installation in about 3.5 hours, was it?
Yep.
3.5 hours here at the shop in Florida, and we're going to hopefully get some video of this thing going through the water. That's foam on the bottom underneath those ribs. This is an all aluminum canoe, and there is a video on the installation of the connector kit. This is the connector kit for 4 points right here, and it will change your canoe altogether. This is 7 feet wide. Chose to go with 7 feet. You can go as far as 8 or 9, or you can order it just about any way you want it, but this is a 7-foot beam. Expandacraft.com. Check us out.